Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to set up Sublime Text for competitive programming in Java. We have seen a lot of videos by the competitive programming masters who use Sublime for competitive programming, but today we are going to set up Sublime exclusively for Java. So the first thing we need to do is configure the build. The original build for Java only compiles the program in Sublime. So we need to create a new build. We go to the new build system and we add a shell command to run Java program. So I already have my build stored. So I'm going to show you what you need to add here. So my build is run Java. So I have added a build Java $sign file and Java file base name, and I'll put it in the description box if you need it. So yeah, and you just copy paste the command here and save the file, and then change the build to run Java. Okay, and we have an input file and an output file, so we are going to use it for file input output. So I put some few lines of code here, and I'll also put it in the description box if you need it. So these are the lines of code you need to add for file input output in Java. So this is an important thing because a lot of people don't know about it. And these are my input and output files. Here you need to add the address of your input file, and here the address of your output file. So I have these files in the same folder as my program, so I don't need to write anything else here. So I'm going to split the screen now so that you can see everything in one screen. And yeah, put my input file here and output file here. And you see the program. Let me change the output here. If we put an output of 6, if we run the program, you see right there, output changed. So yeah, this works efficiently, and this is a nice thing. But now I'm going to show you a different way to configure to run Java programs in Sublime, and you can change it to run any type of program on Sublime. Now the main problem with Sublime is that the integrated console here does not allow for input in the terminal in the console. So we are going to solve this problem by using a new plugin which we can install from the package control. Name of the plugin is Terminus. So Terminus will provide an integrated terminal inside the Sublime Text. You can Terminus, and you can search for it, but I'm not seeing it here because I've already installed it. So after installing Terminus, you need to change your key bindings to open and close the Terminus however you want. So I've changed my Terminus commands like control plus apostrophe to open a Terminus panel. So if I press control plus apostrophe, it opens the Terminus here. Now cwd command passes the file path where the terminal is to be opened. So you see the address here, and control plus W to close the terminus, and control alt plus D. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what control alt plus D does here. So control alt plus D opens terminus in a separate window. So this might be helpful for some people. So yeah, I'll put these key bindings in my description box, and you can change it however you want. So the next thing you need to do is configure the build to run Terminus. So the same thing, go to the build system, new build system, and you need to put some commands here. I'm going to show you the build system I use. The name of the build is, my build is Java करेंगे, and these are the lines of code which you need to copy paste here and save it as with whatever name you want. And I'll put this also in the description box, and then save the file as it is, and change your build to Java करेंगे or anything you want. So after that you run the program. It will be asking for input inside the console here. Now this thing is working like we have the integrated terminal inside the VS Code. Now we have a integrated terminal inside Sublime. So the next thing I want to talk about are the snippets. Like you can see, if I press CC and press tab, this whole text comes on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do this. So go to the tools option and go to pack developer and new snippet, and here you can add whatever you want, and the tab trigger option will be like if this is the snippet you have. Now if I save this snippet, whatever name, and now if I go to the file and press hello and press tab, you see what is this happening. So you can do this and you can configure it to show your program here. So this whole template here as whatever you want. You can create your own snippets and save them as whatever you want. Now I'm going to show you something important here. So like if I use a snippet here to save this program, right? Now if I go to the B file and if I press hello and press tab, now this is a file with the name of B, but the class formed is of B. So this is a problem for you. This might be a problem for you. So what you need to do is, I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm going to show you my own snippet. Where's my snippet? Yeah, this one. And I'm going to copy some text from here. Instead of this, if I paste this and then I go here and press hello and press tab, you see the magic. Now it opens with B here. So you can add it to change the class name every time you load the snippet, and I'll also put this into the description box. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.